going on, y'all. Oh my God, y'all would not believe it. We back home now, y'all. But it was an interesting ride. Let's just put it like that. Why in the middle of driving on those crazy highways with all that construction and everything that was going on, did it start raining? Now, you know this is my first time driving over any state or whatever, because I don't do the interstate. I don't do highways and byways and all that stuff. Child, listen. I thought I was going to be scared. No, Sarge was scared, and he wasn't even driving. I guess because I was driving, I had his life in my hands. I guess he thought I was going to panic, but he the one was panicking, because y'all know we rented a car, right? So I asked him, how do you work the windshield wipers? Why he go off? Why was he scared? I don't know what, y'all. I was like, Sarge, I'm not panicking. I just asked you how it worked. Do it go up? Do it go down? Do you twist or turn or whatever? Child, I'm telling you, oh my God. Then he kept on asking me, you alright? You alright? Talking about just do what you just do what you're doing and don't worry about nobody else. I wasn't worried about nobody else, including you. Because that would have threw me off, you know what I mean? Oh my goodness, I don't know if I do that again with Sarge, because he panicked, baby. That ain't our car. I don't know how that car work. I know how to drive it, but I ain't know how the windshield wipers work, you know what I mean? Asked a simple question, I didn't even say it. I said it calmly. I'm telling you, if y'all could have seen and heard this fool. The scenery was great, but it was just like, whew, too many hills up and down and around, and oh baby. We got home at like little after 1 o'clock in the morning. Made good timing. By the time we got home, the rain done slowed all the way down, but it was real hard with those big old trucks on the highway flying past you, spraying you with water, making it even worse for your commute. Do you hear me? Chad, I don't know. And I want to go to Atlanta too, and I might be driving. You know what I mean? But I just got out of school. It was cool. Got pharmacy tech tonight. Still ain't got one book, y'all. One book. The work book. The regular book that we need with all the info in it. We ain't got that. Oh my goodness. I don't know what to do. She gave me 5 problems to do, but I ain't never get to do them because when we was out of town, we was so tired. I mean, it wasn't no time to do anything. But it was only 5 problems, so I should be okay. We gotta be there till 5:30 though. Gotta write a story in English. Oh, gotta find quotes and oh my goodness, paraphrase, summarize, look, site work, stuff like that. What's all? You gotta have a pro and a con to it. And I'm tired. I ain't got time to be doing all that, man. Let me get my butt over here. Yeah, on my way home. Stink got his check today. Go check that out, see how much we working with. I don't know why my mouth so dry. What the hell going on? Ooh, I thought the highways was bad. These roads on the regular street is bad. Yeah, and then back to the boy. See, that's how people on mopeds get killed. They don't know how to control their own vehicle. About to just jump over in the lane. Boy, you ain't even look. But anyways, back to the car. Sarge thought I was going to pull over and let his blind self drive at nighttime. You know he can't see. He can't even hardly see in the daytime. He was swerving and stuff. Talking about he was scared when I was driving. No, I'm scared when you driving every time. Because he supposed to wear... He supposed to wear glasses, but he don't, because I don't know what he think. He's styling and profiling. He think he cute. He think he too good for glasses. No, I ain't too good for glasses. I got to see. If something ain't working right and they going to give you a tool to use to make it better, I'm going to use it. I told Sarge if he don't want those old man bifocal looking glasses, he better go and get him some better ones. He gonna come out about $300 though. I mean, just to have some cute glasses. Cause that's just what it do. Yeah, finally my Gracie, we got in the house and my Gracie she was so happy to see us. She was just purring and just couldn't wait to touch her. Just ran straight to me. Oh my goodness. Oh, it's like my Gracie baby. I couldn't believe it, y'all. I ain't seen my big head daughter yet. They went to St. Louis. Yeah, when my son and them dance, him and his little group, Too Much Dance. They won first place, $5,000. Yay! I don't think he ain't gonna get to see none of that, but it's cool. I guess it go towards the group. Costumes and van rentals and airfares and whatever else they got, because they got a lot of peoples up in there. But yeah, I done took me out some chicken already. As soon as I got home, I'm unpacked and everything, y'all. So I ain't got to do nothing. You know. So I'll probably holler at y'all later. I just wanted to swing in and say what's happening. You know what I mean? Peace out. Yeah. I meant to tell y'all. Look. The doggone GPS, I guess it wasn't finished calculating right, so it told me to go away. I wasn't supposed to go. It told me to go right. So after we had came off to a gas station or whatever to switch so I can drive, it told me to go right. So I went right. That was the wrong way. Then it told me to go up this hill. I mean, straight up a hill, around, I mean, no guardrails, nothing. I mean, straight cliff. Do you hear me? Sarge was about to die. I was cracking up. I mean, and then you come down the hill. That look, straight. Ooh, child, listen. Sarge was like, he was about to... It was so fun. And I was driving. He was so scared, y'all. I told Sarge I'm gonna call him Scary Barry. Do you hear me? That was hilarious. I mean, they had us in like killer land. You hear me? Like straight psychopath land. Looked like Norman Bates' mama and them was up in there somewhere. No, baby, no. I wasn't that scared, but I was scared to the point where I was going slow. But we made it. I was like, she's just taking us back around because that's the way they U-turn. And we was in Tennessee. Ooh, I wish y'all could have seen him. I wish y'all could have seen him. Then we ran into so much construction, y'all. It just don't make no damn sense. I mean, it ain't that much construction in the whole world. And in Indianapolis, just getting here from Kentucky to here, it was worse than going out of town and seeing the construction. The construction, it just, honey, it didn't make no kind of sense. Oh my goodness, yeah. Oh, I mean, but the graduation was wonderful. His daughter was wonderful. She got her master's. It was a great accomplishment. She got 4 boys that look up to her. And she did that. You hear me? Beautiful, beautiful baby right there. Beautiful. Everything went good. Party was tight. I'm about to say, what is they doing? I'm trying to get up in here. Get out of my way. Child. But that's all I want to tell y'all. If I think of anything else, I'm going to come back and tell you. But I'm telling you, if y'all could have seen Sarge's face when I went up and around and down the hill, and child, listen, the street was this big. It was skinny. I mean, one car action with straight drops on both sides. But that Garmin GPS, that's the truth. They got us there, got us back, got us everywhere. That Garmin GPS, yes, baby. I use that mug again. Do you hear me? What is y'all doing? I don't get it. I don't understand. You couldn't wait. Yeah, I know I'll be hollering at the people and y'all don't know what I'm talking about. They're doing construction everywhere. It's not that much construction in the world. We seen so many. Where his daughter live at, oh my God. In South Carolinas. Where she live at, around the corner, down and around the corner from her house. I mean, it's every restaurant you can think of possible. If you're trying to lose weight, do not move there. Do not move to Somerville. Do you hear me? Don't move there. Okay? Especially not close to all them. I mean, every restaurant you can think of in the world. You will be a fat pig. Do you hear me? I mean, you got to have strength. Great self-control. I mean, and they got they got stuff I ain't never even heard of before. Do you hear me? Okay, you should have left yesterday. And like I remember I told y'all, yeah, Sarge always talking about we country. No, baby. No, baby. Your peoples is country, baby. So, don't never call me country. Woo, child. I had on some good wigs this weekend. And I'm going to get me another one. Do you hear me? He said he's going to give me a wig for Mother's Day, and I'm going to give me a fly one. Do you hear? It's going to be about $60. I'm going to give me a good one. He can get ready for that bill, baby. Do you hear me? Holla if you hear me. But yeah, I'm outro. Like, comment, subscribe.